Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a dispenser door latch on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the latch is broken or damaged and the drawer is coming all the way out. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dispenser drawer here, and you'll actually see the drawer actually comes all the way out. It doesn't stop where it's supposed to because there's a latch missing right in here. So what you can do is grab your new OEM replacement dispenser drawer latch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we'll clip the latch right onto this part of the drawer right here, and that just clips down and snaps into place, so it shouldn't come out. And then we'll put our drawer back into place, slide it in, and you'll see the latch is now doing its job. It's preventing the drawer from coming all the way out and having you potentially spill detergent on the floor or otherwise have the drawer come out all the way when it shouldn't. So now we can close up the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.